Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. If you are applying for an administrative assistant position, you need a strong and well-structured application letter that highlights your skills, experience, and professionalism. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a great sample letter step by step. I'll explain each part in detail so you know exactly what to write and why. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to write your own letter that leaves a great impression on employers and increases your chances of landing the job. Let's get started. Step 1. Writing your contact information. The first part of your letter is your contact information, which should always go at the top. Let's look at the details from our sample letter. Jessica Carter, 4821 Oakwood Avenue, San Diego, California, 92103, 619-5558274. Jessica.carter@example.com. This section is simple, but it is very important. It ensures that the employer knows who you are and how to reach you. Your full name should always come first. This makes it immediately clear who the letter is from. Next, include your address. Even if most hiring processes are done online, employers often appreciate knowing where you are located. Then, add your phone number. Make sure it is a working number where you can be reached easily. Finally, list a professional email address. Avoid using casual or unprofessional emails. For example, instead of something like cutegirl92@email.com, use your full name or initials, like jessica.c.carter@example.com. Having clear and professional contact details makes a great first impression. Step 2. Adding the date. The next part is the date, which in this case is written as March 30th, 2025. This is a small detail, but it is still important. Including the date helps employers keep track of applications. Shows that your letter is recent and relevant. Always write the full date in the month, day, year format for a polished and professional look. Step 3. Adding the employer's contact information. Now, let's move on to the recipient's details, which should be placed below the date. Here's how it looks in our letter. Hiring manager, Bright Horizon Enterprises, 2157 Maple Street, Los Angeles, California, 90012. This section ensures that your letter reaches the right person and department. If you don't know the hiring manager's name, it's okay to write hiring manager, but if you can find their actual name, it is even better to personalize it. Next, always double-check the company name and address for accuracy. Misspelling these details can make a bad impression. Step 4. The subject line, stating your purpose clearly. The subject line is often overlooked, but it is a crucial part of your letter. In our sample, it is written as Subject, Application for Administrative Assistant Position. This is short, clear, and direct. It tells the employer exactly why you are writing. When writing your own letter, always include the job title you are applying for, a reference number if the job listing includes one. For example, if the job post has a reference like Job ID 4582, you can write Subject, Application for Administrative Assistant Position, Job ID 4582. This helps the employer easily identify your application. Step 5. The salutation, greeting the hiring manager. Now, let's move to the greeting. Our letter starts with, Dear hiring manager, this is polite and professional. If you know the hiring manager's name, it's always better to use it directly. For example, Dear Mr. Anderson, Dear Ms. Garcia. If you don't have a name, Dear hiring manager is a safe and professional choice. Avoid outdated greetings like, to whom it may concern, as it sounds too generic. Step 6. The opening paragraph, introducing yourself. Now, let's get into the main body of the letter. Our opening paragraph says, I am excited to apply for the administrative assistant position at Bright Horizon Enterprises. With over 4 years of experience providing administrative support in fast-paced office environments, I am confident in my ability to contribute to your team's efficiency and organization. This paragraph is short but powerful. Let's break it down. The first sentence clearly states the purpose. You are applying for the administrative assistant position and mention the company name. The second sentence highlights your years of experience and emphasizes key strengths, like efficiency and organization. When writing your own letter, make sure your introduction is clear and direct about the position you are applying for, brief but engaging, confident and positive. Step 7. The second paragraph, highlighting your experience and skills. Now, let's add more details about your experience and skills. Our letter states, in my previous role at Westbrook Consulting, I managed daily office operations, scheduled meetings, handled correspondence, and maintained organized records. I am proficient in Microsoft Office Suite, data entry, and document management. My ability to multitask and problem solve has allowed me to effectively support executives and colleagues while ensuring smooth office workflows. This paragraph is great because it mentions a past job to establish credibility, lists specific responsibilities that are relevant to an administrative role, highlights technical skills like Microsoft Office and document management, demonstrates problem-solving and multitasking skills. When writing your own letter, be sure to mention specific duties and accomplishments. Use strong action words like managed, scheduled, handled, maintained. Emphasize skills that match the job description. Step 8. The third paragraph, showcasing soft skills. Beyond technical skills, I take pride in my strong communication and organizational abilities. I thrive in team-oriented environments, maintaining professionalism and attention to detail in all tasks. I am eager to bring my expertise in administrative support to your company and assist in achieving its goals. This paragraph focuses on soft skills, which are just as important as technical skills. It highlights communication and organization, essential for any admin role, teamwork and professionalism, qualities employers value, enthusiasm for the role. Showing interest makes a great impression. Make sure to include soft skills in your own letter to make it more well-rounded. Step 9. The closing paragraph, requesting an interview. Now let's close the letter professionally. I would welcome the opportunity to further discuss how my skills align with your needs. Please feel free to contact me at your convenience to arrange an interview. Thank you for your time and consideration. This paragraph politely requests an interview, encourages the employer to reach out, thanks them for their time. Always end with a gracious and confident closing. Step 10. The closing and signature. Finally, sign off with, Sincerely, Jessica Carter. Sincerely is the best choice for a professional closing. Other good options include best regards, respectfully, and that's how you write an administrative assistant job application letter. I hope this breakdown makes it easier for you to write your own letter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching Writing Tutorials. See you in the next video.